Hey, Toronto and his grandfather. I just wanted to show you this because I know you guys like model trains, electric trains, and here's one from my childhood. It's a big rail work train by Marx, and yeah, I used to love setting it up when I was a kid and watching the train go around. And here, we'll open it up here. Let's give you a little closer shot of the box. Really old, just like me. Okay, I'll let you see some of the sides of the box. There's the transformer. Okay. I don't know if I still have all the pieces or not. But yeah, let's open her up here. There's some of the logs, and I think the crossing thing's broke, and kind of like a station, some of the tracks. There's some tracks here. Here's the switch, to switch to a different track. And here's the diesel engine. Or steam. Actually, it's a steam engine, I believe. I used to have little drops you could put in it to cause it to smoke. That was kind of cool. And let's see, transformer. And another cart. This cart has kind of like you'd put something on it and then it'd go around the track, and you'd put something so it'd hit it and it would eject whatever was on the cart. Train. And of course, let's not forget the caboose. We cannot forget the caboose. Penn Central. And, so yeah, and like Toronto knows, I told him my dad used to work on the railroad, so I used to love this thing, and I played with it for hours. So I just thought you guys would think that was kind of cool. So hope you enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you later.